It's a 2015 Ford Edge. Aggressively styled and easily maneuvered, this spacious crossover was built for fun. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. This from the Los Angeles Times. The Edge is a terrific looking piece of machinery, short coupled and athletic, with a long rakish windshield and handsome grille resembling a triple bladed razor. The Edge has a deliberate and sporty stance that a lot of CUVs coming off as neutered SUVs are missing. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Dorsch Ford Lincoln Kia, we have 2 convenient locations in Green Bay and look forward to serving you.